SkyPark. I didn't think we were gonna see any snow on the way up. Didn't see any until like a mile before we got here. Oh my God, this dirt feels like pillow or clouds or something. I don't know. It's so soft. I think I need a brake bleed. Oh wow, so smooth, nice. Oh, it's been too long since I've ridden Arrow. That was nice though. So petrified about that bridge, I haven't been saying anything. Oh, I got sketchy on that. I thought I was gonna die on the whale tail.
Oh, nice.
Dude, over the second one, I launched.
Same here.
And got bucked. And so I'm landing on it like this.
I've been bucked on that thing too. You seen that guy at a Mox video?
Oh yeah. Omar.
He fucking got fucking rocked off the backside of the whale tail, broke his collarbone.
Yeah.
He flew over it. It will buck you, kind of. You gotta be ready for that.
I've only done that once. I did not experience that.
I did it one time. I was like, in my video, I was like, oh shit!
I'm like shaking.
Goodbye.